Looking for a natural way to boost your health and well-being? Watermelon might be the answer you're searching for. This sweet and refreshing fruit is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Join us as we explore the amazing benefits of watermelon. Benefit 1. A hydration haven. Watermelon is often hailed as nature's thirst quencher, and for good reason. Comprised of approximately 92% water, it is a refreshing and hydrating option, especially during hot summer days or after intense physical exertion. Beyond mere hydration, watermelon offers a wealth of benefits. Hydration is paramount for optimal bodily functions. It aids digestion, regulates body temperature, transports nutrients, and supports joint lubrication. Dehydration, on the other hand, can lead to fatigue, headaches, dizziness, and decreased cognitive function. Watermelon's high water content effectively replenishes fluids, preventing dehydration and its associated discomforts. Furthermore, watermelon is a modest source of electrolytes, including potassium. Electrolytes are essential minerals that maintain fluid balance within and outside cells. Potassium, in particular, plays a crucial role in muscle contractions, nerve impulses, and blood pressure regulation. Adequate potassium intake is vital for preventing muscle cramps, which are common during or after strenuous activity. By providing a gentle dose of electrolytes, watermelon supports overall hydration and electrolyte balance, making it an ideal choice for athletes and active individuals. Benefit 2. A heart-healthy delight. Beyond its hydrating properties, watermelon boasts a profile of nutrients that promote heart health. Compounds like lycopene, citrulline, and potassium work synergistically to safeguard cardiovascular well-being. Lycopene, a carotenoid pigment responsible for watermelon's vibrant red hue, has garnered significant attention for its potential heart protective effects. Studies suggest that lycopene possesses antioxidant properties which combat oxidative stress, a cellular damage linked to chronic diseases, including heart disease. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, lycopene may help prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, a process that contributes to the formation of plaque in arteries. Additionally, lycopene may help reduce inflammation, a key player in the development of atherosclerosis. Citrulline, an amino acid found in watermelon, undergoes conversion to arginine in the body. Arginine is a precursor to nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels, promoting improved blood flow. Enhanced blood flow reduces the workload on the heart, lowers blood pressure, and diminishes the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Potassium, another heart-healthy component of watermelon, counteracts the effects of sodium, a mineral often consumed in excess through processed foods. High sodium intake contributes to elevated blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. Potassium helps to relax blood vessels, lower blood pressure, and reduce the strain on the heart. By incorporating watermelon into a balanced diet, individuals can harness the combined power of lycopene, citrulline, and potassium to support heart health, potentially reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Benefit 3. A digestive dream. Watermelon offers more than just refreshment. It's a boon for digestive well-being. Its high water content and fiber content work in tandem to support optimal digestive function. Fiber, a dietary powerhouse, is essential for maintaining a healthy gut. Watermelon's fiber acts as a gentle prebiotic, nourishing the beneficial bacteria that reside in the intestines. This thriving microbial ecosystem is crucial for breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and bolstering the immune system. Benefit 4. A skin-nourishing treat. Beyond its internal benefits, watermelon offers a bounty for skin health. Packed with vitamins and antioxidants, it contributes to a radiant and youthful complexion. Vitamin C, a superstar nutrient for skin, is abundant in watermelon. This vitamin plays a pivotal role in collagen synthesis, the protein responsible for skin's elasticity and firmness. Collagen provides structural support, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, while maintaining skin's plump and youthful texture. Vitamin A, another skin-friendly vitamin found in watermelon, is essential for cell turnover and repair. It helps protect skin cells from damage caused by free radicals, those unstable molecules that contribute to premature aging and skin conditions, like acne. Vitamin A also supports the production of new skin cells, promoting a smoother and more even complexion. Lycopene, the antioxidant that gives watermelon its vibrant red color, offers additional skin benefits. While further research is needed, some studies suggest that lycopene may help protect the skin from sun damage and reduce the risk of sunburn. However, it's crucial to remember that sunscreen remains the primary defense against harmful UV rays. Benefit 5. A potential ally for muscle recovery. Watermelon has garnered attention for its potential role in muscle recovery. While more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms, some evidence suggests that the amino acid citrulline, found in watermelon, may contribute to reduced muscle soreness. Citrulline is a precursor to arginine, an amino acid involved in the production of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide plays a crucial role in vasodilation, the widening of blood vessels. Improved blood flow facilitates the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to muscles while aiding in the removal of waste products. This enhanced circulation may help alleviate muscle soreness and inflammation often experienced after intense physical activity. While watermelon alone may not be a miracle cure for muscle aches, incorporating it into a post-workout routine alongside other recovery strategies, such as rest, hydration, and proper nutrition, may support muscle recovery and overall athletic performance. Benefit 6. A hydrating aid for weight management. Watermelon can be a valuable asset in a weight management plan due to its low calorie density and high water content. Its refreshing taste and hydrating properties can help curb cravings and promote satiety, reducing overall calorie intake. The high water content in watermelon contributes to a feeling of fullness, helping to control appetite and prevent overeating. Additionally, watermelon is a source of fiber, a nutrient known to promote satiety and regulate blood sugar levels. Fiber-rich foods can help prevent blood sugar spikes and crashes, reducing cravings and promoting sustained energy levels. While watermelon alone won't lead to dramatic weight loss, incorporating it into a balanced diet and regular physical activity can support weight management goals by promoting hydration, satiety, and overall health. Benefit 7. A potential immune system shield. Watermelon, with its vibrant color and refreshing taste, offers more than just hydration. Emerging research suggests that this summer staple may contribute to a robust immune system. Packed with essential nutrients, watermelon provides a supportive environment for optimal immune function. Vitamin C, a potent antioxidant abundant in watermelon, is a cornerstone of immune defense. This vitamin stimulates the production of white blood cells, the body's frontline defenders against infections. By bolstering white blood cell activity, vitamin C enhances the immune system's ability to combat pathogens and reduce the severity and duration of illnesses. Beyond vitamin C, watermelon boasts a spectrum of antioxidants, including lycopene and beta-carotene. These compounds act as guardians of cellular health, neutralizing harmful free radicals that can damage cells and weaken the immune system. By reducing oxidative stress, antioxidants create a favorable environment for optimal immune function. While watermelon alone cannot guarantee immunity from all ailments, incorporating it into a balanced diet alongside other immune-boosting lifestyle factors can fortify the body's natural defenses and promote overall well-being. Benefit 8. A boon for kidney health. Watermelon, with its high water content and specific nutrient profile, offers potential benefits for kidney health. Proper hydration is paramount for kidney function, as it aids in the elimination of waste products and toxins from the body. Watermelon's generous water content contributes to maintaining optimal hydration levels, reducing the strain on the kidneys. Furthermore, watermelon contains potassium, an essential electrolyte that plays a crucial role in kidney function. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance and blood pressure, both of which impact kidney health. Adequate potassium intake is essential for preventing kidney stones and supporting overall kidney function. It's important to note that individuals with specific kidney conditions should consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate watermelon intake, as individual needs may vary. However, for most people, watermelon can be a refreshing and kidney-friendly addition to a healthy diet. Benefit 9. A potential shield for eye health. Watermelon, the quintessential summer treat, offers more than just refreshment. It may also contribute to optimal eye health. Packed with essential nutrients, this juicy fruit provides a foundation for clear vision and eye protection. Vitamin A, a vital nutrient for eye health, is present in watermelon. This vitamin plays a pivotal role in maintaining the cornea's health, the clear outer layer of the eye responsible for focusing light. Additionally, vitamin A supports the retina, the light-sensitive tissue at the back of the eye that converts light into visual signals. Adequate vitamin A intake is essential for preventing night blindness and reducing the risk of dry eyes, common eye discomforts. Lycopene, the antioxidant that imparts watermelon's vibrant red hue, has garnered attention for its potential benefits for eye health. While research is ongoing, some studies suggest that lycopene may help protect against age-related macular degeneration, a chronic eye condition that can lead to central vision loss. By incorporating watermelon into a diet rich in other eye-healthy foods and maintaining a comprehensive eye care routine, individuals can support overall eye health and reduce the risk of age-related vision problems. Benefit 10. A natural energy boost. Watermelon, often associated with hydration and refreshment, also offers a gentle energy boost. While not a calorie-dense food, its unique combination of nutrients contributes to sustained energy levels. The natural sugars present in watermelon provide a readily available source of glucose, the body's primary energy fuel. This glucose is quickly absorbed into the bloodstream, offering a temporary energy surge. However, watermelon's high water content prevents rapid blood sugar spikes and crashes, promoting a more stable energy release. Beyond its sugar content, watermelon contains essential vitamins and minerals that support energy production. Vitamin B6, found in watermelon, plays a crucial role in converting food into energy. Potassium, another key nutrient, aids in fluid balance and supports muscle function, both of which are essential for energy production and utilization. By incorporating watermelon into a balanced diet, individuals can experience a natural and sustained energy boost. And there you have it, folks! Watermelon is truly a superfood. From hydrating your body to boosting your immune system, this incredible fruit has it all. So, next time you're craving something refreshing, reach for a watermelon and enjoy the amazing benefits. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy tips. See you in the next one.